Hi everyone, today I would like to show you guys how to do a VLookup. VLookup is a very popular formula in Excel. It's a formula that looks up from the subject and the return result is to the right only. So now let's jump straight to an example. I have created this source data here which contain item description. I use fruit as example and also the return result is unit cost price per kilo and I just use an estimate cost per kilo here. Now the working is we want to look at apple and we want to know how much apple costs per kilo. So let's start. Go the first we're going to do equal we look up, open the bracket, and we're going to look up apple as a subject. Click apple, comma, and then we're going to go straight to select the source data. Just select all the source data, comma. Now this is very important to remember. Any column that contains subject, you always count them as number 1. And from there, then you can count the result column. So at this stage, item description is column number 1, unit price is column number 2. So now we press number 2, comma, and you can press 4 is an exact match, or you can use number 1, they work the same. Close bracket and click enter. Now we found apple is cost $3.50 per kilo. So here you go guys, this is a simple way of how to do a VLookup. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.